The majority of rain was done in about 15 minutes.
Boys, all them that came up 172 there a while ago just made it up here in time, didn't they?
Welcome, everyone. It's hard to comprehend the sheer devastation that unfolded. So many homes, once filled with memories and laughter, were swept away. Families found themselves stranded, facing unimaginable loss. And tragically, lives were lost. Lives that had no warning of the storm that was heading their way. It's a stark reminder of nature's immense power and the vulnerability we all share. In times like these, our hearts go out to everyone affected. We've seen incredible resilience and community spirit emerge from the wreckage, with people helping neighbors and strangers alike. Your kindness and generosity can make a profound difference in helping communities rebuild and heal. Thank you for being here.
Around your arms.
It's incredibly tough when the world around us feels so disrupted, isn't it? Seeing familiar roads impassable, blocked by fallen trees and debris, can be a truly unsettling experience. It's a stark reminder of how much we rely on those pathways to connect with the people we care about, and how challenging it becomes when they're suddenly out of reach. The frustration and worry of trying to get loved ones home safely when the usual routes are simply gone can weigh heavily on your heart. It's in these moments that community spirit and resilience truly shine, as people come together to help clear the way and support one another. Thank you for watching, and if you found this relatable, consider following for more insights. Welcome, everyone. It's been a challenging day or so since the floodwaters began to recede, and what we're witnessing is truly inspiring. You'll see in this video, sped up to help us cover more ground, the incredible efforts of so many people working tirelessly. They're focused on restoring power, clearing roads, and helping their neighbors get back on their feet. It's a stark reminder of the immense loss many have faced. Homes, possessions, and tragically lives have been impacted. While we've made significant progress in rebuilding, the emotional toll lingers. Some areas are still hesitant to rebuild fully, a natural response to the fear of what might happen again. This resilience, this determination to move forward even in the face of such adversity, is what we're here to acknowledge and celebrate. Thank you for taking the time to watch and reflect.